श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार लोकनाथ लोकेरा जीवान प्रभु कोरो दया देह मोरे पाद चयम ए बिजाज कुशु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादं श्रील प्रभुपादं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like a desire fulfilling trees. Sri Prahlada, the presence of Sri Prahlada was needed so one can have the darshana of Narsinga Bhagwan. It's the Prahlada made that darshana of Narsinga Dev possible to us. That way it's the Bhagavata Sadhguru and that makes the darshan of Sri Harinama possible. Vaishnavas are like they are desire fulfilling trees and they are dear to Bhagavan. So I take the dust of the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas, smear on my head and dance in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera namam. Dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra prana mora yugala kishora. Sadhu darshana, Guru darshana happens first, and then Bhagavad darshana, and then Bhagavad Sambandha darshana. Yeah, Tadiya Vastu darshana happens. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyaye Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Vrinda Devi, yes, in the groves of Vrindavana. Yes, we are brought to the groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, where there is loving reciprocation, loving seva, priti seva to Bhagwan. Shri Shri Radha Govinda is happening. We are engaged in the priti seva to Shri Shri Radha Govinda in the groves of Vrindavana. And these are the prayers in Siddha Deha. Tulasi Krishna Prayasi Namo Namah Radha Krishna Seva Pav Ei Abhilashim Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diyo Vasnayani Haribo Sadam Yugala Ruparasi. Yes, this is my desire. This is our desire. Hey Vrinda Devi, would you please at every moment give darshan of Shri Shri Radha Madhava? Can you please keep the darshan in my vision at every moment? Vrinda Devi, and my Nivedana is Ye Nivedana Dharo Sakiranugata Koro Sevadhikaro Diyo Koro Nichadasi. Vrinda Devi, please, pure devotee, Premi Bhakta, Sadhguru, please, 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 Sakiranugati Seva, please. I have no other Abhilasha, only this Abhilasha. Only this Abhilasha. Dina Krishna Dase Hoye Namora Hoy Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadhayena Basi. For Sakiranugati Seva to happen, the heart should be filled with prema for Radha Govinda. Yani kani cha papani brahmatyadikani cham tani tani pranashyante pradakshina pade pade.